Lesson 13. Homes of Animals. Like human beings, animals and birds also need homes to protect themselves from heat, cold, and rain. Birds build nests to protect themselves, and animals take shelter under trees, in dens and burrows. Animals living on land. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Animals like elephants, giraffes, and zebras live under the shade of trees in thick forests. Wild animals like tigers, lions, and bears live in caves called dens. Some animals like monkeys, chimpanzees, squirrels, and gorillas live on treetops. Animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Animals living underground. Some animals like rats, earthworms, snakes, and rabbits live in holes or burrows in the ground. Ants make anthills with long tunnels. Termites live in underground colonies. Animals living in water. Some animals live in water. They are called aquatic animals. Fish and crocodiles live in water. Ducks live most of the time in water. Frogs can live both on land and in water. Birds make nest. Birds build nests to lay eggs. These nests hold their eggs until they hatch. Birds choose their nesting place with great care. They use a variety of things to make their nests. These include grass, feathers, leaves, twigs, hair, thread, a bit of paper or cloth, wool, and stones. They make their nests cozy by lining them with soft things. Different birds build different types of nests. A tailor bird stitches leaves together with plant fibers or spider's web. The nest is lined with cotton, wool, and dried grass to keep it warm. This makes the nest cozy and warm. As this bird sews its nest, it's called a tailor. The weaver bird weaves its nests from grass, fine strips of palm or banana leaves. The nest hangs from the branch. The entrance of the nest is from the lower side. This type of nest saves the eggs from being stolen by snakes. The woodpecker builds a nest in the tree trunk. It pecks the trunk with its beak to make a hole. Then it lines the hole with chips of wood to make it cozy. Eagles and vultures build their nest by simply putting a few twigs on top of a tree. Pigeons and sparrows make their nests in buildings or on trees. They use straws, leaves, grass, and pieces of cotton or wool to make them cozy. Penguins simply make their nest by collecting pebbles and bones and laying them on the ground. The kingfisher digs a hole on the bank of a river. It makes the hole cozy with feathers and fish scales. The cuckoo or quail is a lazy bird. It does not build its nest, but it is a clever bird. It lays its eggs in the nest of a crow. The mother crow does not know this and hatches the cuckoo's egg and feeds the babies. The partridge scrapes the ground with its beak to make a hole. It uses dried grass and leaves to make the nest cozy. The partridge makes its nest in a place surrounded by bushes or tall grass. Parental care. Parents protect and feed their young ones in the nests until they are ready to fly on their own. They also help their young ones to fly. Spider's web. Spiders make their own web, which is a fine net of fibers. This net helps the spider to catch insects.